This is a rectangular circle ground with pavement all around it. And we need to find the area of this pavement. It is given to us that the length of this circle ground including the pavement is 42 meters and the width including the pavement is 36 meters. Also, the length of the ground excluding the pavement is 40 meters and the width is 34 meters. Now, since we need to find the area of this pavement, let's do one thing. Let's put it to one side. So, we basically need to find the area of this yellow border, right? Now, look over here. We have one outer rectangle, the bigger one, and one inner rectangle over here. So, how about if we calculate the area of this outer rectangle, the shaded one? Then we'll have the area of this entire shaded portion. And then subtract the area of this inner rectangle from it. That would leave us with this frame, this border, the area of this border. And that's exactly what we need, right? So, let us do this. Let us first calculate the area of this outer rectangle, the pink one. So, area of rectangle is length into breadth. The length is 42 meters and the breadth is 36 meters. So, once we calculate this, we get 1512 meters square. That's the area of the outer rectangle. Now, let us calculate the area of the inner one. We need the area of this blue rectangle now. Okay. So, the area would be again length into breadth, which is 40 meters into 34 meters, and that is 1360 meters square. Now, we know the drill, right? In order to find the area of the pavement, we need to subtract these two. So, area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle, which is 152 meters square. Let us look at one more example. I need to create this wooden frame where I have a very cool picture, this one, and this picture measures 15 centimeter by 20 centimeter. I want to create a frame which has a width of 2 centimeters. Now, if I need to know how much wood I require, I basically need to know the area of this frame, right? So, again we have two rectangles, the outer one and the inner one. I know the dimensions of the inner one. 15 is the length and 20 is the breadth. But do I know the dimensions of the outer one? Let's see. The dimensions of this outer rectangle, the length would be 15 centimeters plus 2 centimeter for the border on this side and 2 centimeter for the border on this side. So, that would be 15 plus 2 that is 19 centimeters. Similarly, the width would be 20 centimeters plus 2 centimeters for this one and 2 centimeters for this one. So, that would be 20 plus 2 that is 24 centimeters. Now, let us calculate the area of outer rectangle, which is 19 into 24 centimeter, that is 456 centimeter square. Next, let us calculate the area of the inner rectangle, this one, the blue one. Area of inner rectangle is 15 centimeters into 20 centimeters, which is 300 centimeters square. And thus, the area of the frame would be 456 minus 300, that is 156 centimeters square.